fishing on big, deep rivers like the Restigouche is generally done using big boats. In this case, locally made 26-foot freighter-style canoes, which are used both to reach the river's big pools and also to fish them. Fishing is done using a series of drops down the length of the pool. Anchoring the canoe at the top of the pool, the angler fishes out to their maximum casting range, then the guide hauls up the anchor, drifts down a short distance, drops the anchor again, and the process is repeated again. Excellent wading water is also available along numerous shallow runs and gravel bars where fish will pause before continuing up the river to the next major pool. Right in there.
Not quite, a little bit further, right there. There you go. You take it?
Nope.
Oh, there he goes. You're on.
He's got it now, and that's a good sized fish.
That's a nice fish.
That's what we're looking for on the Restigouche. Drop her where you want.
Can you get out there?
I can get out, Vaughn, yet. Do you want me out now?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's nice to be in the water. The canoe gives you a lot of advantage, but it's nice to be in the water. If you can bring the net, Vaughn, we can make our first attempt. Okay, Vaughn, let's try. Yes, beautiful. Oh, look, he's still strong, still fighting.
There, he's out.
Is it out?
Yeah.
Good. What a beautiful fish. Let's get him in the water. Hold him up into the current.